Looking inside of SYSCON PlantStar 4.0 manufacturing execution system, we're going to quickly show the job shift summary report. So this is shift by shift data for a particular job. So if I look, I have machine groups where, as usual, I can group by machine. So I'm going to have my injection molding machines, which is going to, the next drop down, bring all my injection molding machines. I'm going to choose my Husky machine. And then I can choose a job. I'm going to choose my current running job here. And now it's going to show me my product name, the tool types that are being used, the standard cycle time in second, the parts required, the date time required, duration, standard runtime, and I'm going to get job to date and shift data. So I can see my total parts that are made, my parts per minute, my total rejected parts made, my rejected percentage, my performance, my uptime, average cycle time in seconds. For more information, please visit plantstar.com. Feel free to chat with us or schedule a demo.